Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the major watersheds of Michigan. A watershed is the area of land that's drained by a river. So the first thing we're going to do is trace the rivers that flow into Lake Superior, and we're going to use a colored pencil for that. So Lake Superior, I'm just going to shade it in to remind people where it's at. This is all Lake Superior up here. And the rivers that flow into it are this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Lake Superior doesn't have a lot of long rivers. It's on this side of the lake, actually the south shore of the lake. It has a pretty small watershed. And then we'll use a different color and jump over to Lake Huron. Here's Lake Huron. I'll shade that in so we remember where it's at. It goes down into the thumb and stops right about there. And shade the rivers that go into Lake Huron. And then do the same for Lake Erie. Lake Erie is this only a little corner of Michigan, drains into Lake Erie, and there's a couple of rivers there. And then there's Lake Michigan, the only Great Lake that's completely owned by the United States. We share all of the other lakes with Canada. And remember, there's some Lake Michigan streams and some upper peninsula streams that go into Lake Michigan, and there's some lower peninsula streams that go into Lake Michigan. Trace them all. So all of the streams that you see, this one fools people. It's the Michigamme River that runs into the Menominee River that forms the border here. So shade those all in, and then I think you can see the difference in colors. The water here flows into Lake Superior, the water here flows into Lake Michigan. They're two different watersheds. And now I want you to take a regular pencil and go between them to show the drainage divide that separates the water that goes into Lake Superior, or the land that drains into Lake Superior, from the land that drains into Lake Michigan. That's called a watershed divide or a drainage divide. And downstate's a little more complicated because you have 3 lakes involved. Finish that up. Look on a map and find the names of these major watersheds, the lettered ones, A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. Then on the backside, check out a map and label these features. And then I think it's good to know our little bit of geography of the area. So find Chicago, Calumet, Detroit, put stars in those locations on this map. Have a good day.